Hello, welcome to my channel. Learn to speak French with me. Apprendre parler français avec moi. So today we're going to learn some new words. We are going to learn the words that are used to address the first person, the second person, and the third person. So usually the first person is addressed in singular as I, which in French is je. And when its plural form is oui in English, it's nous in French. Je, nous. And when it comes to you in English, we just have one word for both singular as well as plural. But in French, it's tu for singular and vous for plural. It's tu and vous. So you can see it sounds similar, so it's easy to remember. So you, vous. And when it comes to third person, when we say he, it's il. When we say she, it's elle. And when we have to say they, it's usually il. The S is silent, but there is an S, so it's il. And if it's only a group of girls, then they would just say elle, which is again ELLES. So we've learned 6 or 7 new words today. So je, nous, tu, vous, il, elle, elle. And let's learn a new word. The word for ready is prêt. So when you have to say I am ready, you say je suis prêt. Je suis prêt. Now, moving on to our next slide, we're going to recap a few of those sentences that we've already learned. So how would you say I would like 1 kilo of potato? You'd say je voudrais 1 kilo de patate. And let's also look at the other sentences that we've learned in the last lesson. So how to speak French is translated to comment parler français. I can speak French is je peux parler français. So that brings us to the end of this lesson, and I really hope that you find these videos useful to speak French. We're going to learn more and more words and more sentences that we could use in our daily lives. A bientôt. See you soon in my next video. Do like and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications for new videos. Thank you.